In this video, I will show you how to make smooth slow motion video on CapCut PC. So let's get started. Alright, first of all, let's just select the clip. Then from here, you need to go to the speed option. Then onto the speed option, from the standard, you can easily slow down the video speed like this. But if you play that, it is not the smoothest slow motion. So if you want the smoothest slow-mo video into the CapCut, you need to work with the curves. Alright, so let's just select the curve option, and from here you will find some of the templates which are variously used. Alright, but we will go with the custom right here. Just tap on the custom, and then from here you can easily smooth it down the slow-mo video. Alright, so first of all, just select this option, then drag it on, drag like this. Alright, just drag like this, then again select this, also drag like this, and also at the ending drag like this. If we just now play the slow-mo process, as you can see, the slow-mo is now very much smooth. Alright, so now as you can see, this is the only way you can make the smoothest slow motion video on CapCut PC. So also you can make changes into the CapCut templates, like here are some of the templates you can also use. You can just play with these templates and you are good to go. So thank you so much guys for watching this video.